In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to separate the audio tracks in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. Step number one is to locate the video or the audio piece that you'd like to export. In this case, I have a video with the audio and then a video with the second audio. Now I'm going to drag this down like so, and the next step is to create an in point and an out point of the audio track you would like to export by clicking I or Control I on your keyboard, and then I'm going to add an out point. Again, click O or Control O, and then click Control plus M on your keyboard. This will bring up the export settings or the menu tab like so. Underneath the settings tab, underneath format, click the drop down arrow and locate where it says MP3, and then under the preset tab here, click here to change this from lower, higher, or the setting is, in this case, we're going to do higher quality, and you have three different options. As you can see now, if you scroll down underneath the second tab where it says audio, you can drag this to mono or stereo, or from the codec from fast to high, and you can even change the bit rate even further if you would like, and you can even choose to queue this or to export by clicking export. And if you want to export two audio tracks at once, I got you. In this case, we'd like to export the video with the audio and then the other audio track. You can do this by unlinking the video or by right clicking the video and click on unlink, so that the video is now unlinked from the audio. And then now, as we can see, we have two audio pieces, and choose or locate what you would like to export. In this case, we already have an in point and an out point, and I'm going to click Control plus M on the keyboard again to bring up the export settings tab or the menu. Follow the same procedures and click queue or export.